As global demand for copper accelerates, efficiency, reliability, and sustainability are no longer optional. They're business critical. At Aurubis' Perdop plant in Bulgaria, copper concentrates are turned into high-quality cathodes and anodes used in wiring, power grids, EVs, and everyday electronics. The plant runs on hundreds of electric motors, but over half were more than 25 years old.
We selected ABB because they offered more than components. We needed a long-term partner with high-efficiency motors, drives, digital tools, all aligned with our decarbonization targets and operational goals. And by working with ABB, we were able to transition from 42 different suppliers to a single partner.
By replacing 460 motors with ABB's high-efficiency IE4 and IE5 technology, along with drives, the plant will cut energy use by 28%, saving 25 gigawatt-hours each year. That's enough to power over 6,000 EU households annually and reduce CO2 emissions by 12,000 tons.
ABB enables system upgrades with advanced digital monitoring, providing predictive insights and improving uptime by approximately 10%. It's not just about cost savings, it's about achieving operational stability at scale.
This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a strategic shift from reactive maintenance to proactive performance.
We help customers outrun leaner and cleaner.